Volkswagen presents the new Arteon. In addition to the normal limousine version, it is now also available as a station wagon called Shooting Brake.
This is a new version of the VW Arteon. It's flatter with a stretched line and it has got a characteristic face. In 2008 it was called Passat CC and in 2017 the name Arteon popped up. Now we want to know what this newcomer can do.
Engine-wise, a 2-liter diesel is available in two different performance levels. It has either 150 or 200 horsepower. As an alternative, there are 3 gasoline engines with outputs between 150 and 280 horsepower and a plug-in hybrid with 271 horsepower.
The Arteon drives like a luxurious Passat, which it is. Especially when you have ordered the adaptive suspension, you may notice how big the dispersion between sportiness and comfort is.
We are testing the larger diesel. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in just under 8 seconds and has a top speed of 237 km an hour. It is also available with 4-wheel drive. The power is transmitted by a 7-speed DSG that comes as standard for all engines.
The LED strip at the front is a convincing choice. It stretches across the entire front and connects the 2 headlamps. This is a very cool and stylish idea. Let's go to the tail of the car, which is a station wagon now, or as Volkswagen calls it, a shooting brake. And there's a lot of space inside, up to 2.10 meters in length.
With the rear seats folded up, you can stow away up to 565 liters. If you don't have any passengers on the rear seat, up to 1632 liters can be loaded. In addition to the drivetrains, the range of technical innovations includes further IQ Drive assistance systems. New in this series, the optional Travel Assist. This system enables partially automated driving over the speed range from 0 to 210 km an hour. Another part of the Travel Assist is the ACC with Predictive Speed Control. The automatic distance control reacts to speed limits, towns, bends, traffic circles and intersections with appropriate speed adjustments.
The Arteon provides a lot of room inside, especially in row 2. Here's a lot of space for your legs and for your head. When you sit in the car, you think it's 5 meters long, but it has only 4.86 meters. This is roominess and a clever space management.
Inside, the model series inspired with a newly designed cockpit landscape, which gives the Arteon even more exclusivity. Operation is made easier by touch sliders for the automatic air conditioning and a new multifunction steering wheel with touch surfaces. The R-line seats are characterized by particularly good lateral support. The Arteon R, which will be available later this year, will offer maximum sportiness. Its performance: 320 horsepower, 420 Nm of torque and all-wheel drive with torque vectoring.
The interior is totally new and based on the Volkswagen Touareg. The so-called touch islands in the steering wheel are very easy to use and the control of the air condition is much better than in the Golf 8.
Prices for the Arteon start at just over 43,500 euros in Germany. However, the shooting brake with the 2-liter diesel engine and R-line equipment that we tested costs at least 51,160 euros.
The Arteon, especially the shooting brake, is modern, large and stylish. Which makes me wonder why so many people are buying Audi A4, BMW 3 Series or Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The Arteon can definitely keep up and it will be available as plug-in hybrid.
The market launch for the hybrid will also be this year.